Hey everybody, welcome back to challengeyourself.blog. This update, I'm going to talk about my 3D printer. I've been working on a couple updates with it. I recently bought some ABS filament for the 3D printer and I was really excited to use it, but one of the things that I'm a little bit nervous about with it is it going to fill my office with fumes or some sort of smell, VOCs. So I decided that I wanted to filter that out. And the way that I wanted to do that was to install a filter up in the upper right corner of my 3D printer hood. And as you can see, I've got some wires partially installed. I have a bed leveling system, the BL Touch. I'm going to add that one of these days. I had to order some extra parts, but basically this is just a fan, or a 2-fan system. I started off with 1 fan and I 3D printed the connector that goes to the filter itself, and there's a box at the bottom where the air vents out, and it worked pretty well. As you can see, it's a little bit crooked. That was my first and second version of this project. And the way that I wired this up is I have some barrel connectors and a transformer. The barrel connectors that I had actually fit with it. This is a 12 volt DC output transformer, and the transformer supplies 1 amp of power, which is far more than what the fan or fans end up needing. So here you can see the stack of 2, and I added a what I called a fan bridge between the 2. And the reason that I didn't connect them directly together without the bridge was the bolts that I have don't, they're not long enough. What I found when I plugged this in and got it working was it didn't move enough air to go through both the filter and out the bottom vent, and you can hear it running, but what I'm kind of afraid of with this setup is it doesn't have enough power to basically, I'm worried that the air flow is just kind of moving around in the bottom box and not actually coming through the filter. So I ended up adding a second fan with the bridge, and that gave plenty of power. As you can see, Tim Allen approves. And you can definitely hear the sound whistling through the respirator cartridge. And you can see there's the fan, each of the fan boxes, the bridge in the middle, and the vent at the bottom. So basically now it's just hang it in there and see how it does. I was thinking about putting a power switch on it so that I don't have to disconnect it at the barrel plug, that I can leave it plugged in and turn it on and off with the switch. But one step at a time. Anyway, thanks for watching, and I have a couple other updates coming up. I had a pneumatic muscle video that I almost finished. I got partway through the editing and I started working on a few other projects, so I will finish that one up and post that one pretty soon. That worked pretty cool.